Hello again, friends. Pastor Leggett here. You got a minute? You ever dealt with something that we call friction? Yeah, that resistance, that thing that pushes against what it is that you're trying to push forward. Um, Without friction, wheels won't roll. They won't turn. Balls won't roll. Without friction, sometimes the very thing that you're trying to get going will not get going. But if you give up just because you have friction, then you won't learn anything. You won't get anywhere. You won't do anything. Realize that it's friction that sharpens, it's friction that makes things better and it makes things stronger. The same thing applies to you and to yours. Think about it. Till next time, you be blessed.